Hello guys, welcome back to the E and L Fun House. My name's Leland and today we're doing a Minecraft Lego set. Alright guys, let's get starting to build. It was easy and hard to build the Minecraft landscape. So first I put it in a pile so I could look and know what pieces we need for the Minecraft landscape. After I started building a zombie, it was hard to put on the compass, so I had to leave it and then try. It was hard and easy, but at the end, it was getting harder and harder. But at the start, it was easy and easier. So I almost got through the whole thing. So I just started leaving the zombie so later I could put it on and started building the house. So it's easier to build and then I just could build it. After that, it was not so hard after all. I was almost done, got through it, so it wasn't that hard after all, but it was still hard to build the Minecraft landscape. I like it because there's a thing where you could pop out a chest and it goes out. And then I build a pufferfish. Then you could actually spin a tire-shaped thing. It's like a circle that has 4 dots and an X hole in it. I rolled it and it pops out. And there was fish, blue water, or was that lapis? And then I build a pink shell and a blue one. I sticked it on top, pull on it so where a pufferfish could stand on it. Cause if it didn't, if you brung it upstairs, it might roll down and break. So you need to pull and stick it on so it won't just fall down. I just needed to put everything where it's supposed to go. Finally, I sticked on the people. So it looks like they were made to be on it. That's it. This could pop out the chest if you go. And then he could put his fishy in the chest. And then he could put it back in his base. I felt happy and it was easy for me to build this Minecraft Lego set. Thanks for watching the E and L Funhouse. See you next week. Bye.